I think we're off. Hey, what's up YouTube? Good afternoon from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So today's plan is to ride a river cruise on the Mekong River. And I don't know if they serve food there or anything, but yeah, I'm gonna get some food either there or along the river. There's like a bunch of street stalls there too. So yeah, we're gonna get that. Yeah, we're watching some Cambodian karaoke. Yeah, I wanted to have the right vibe in here.
Mekong River.
Yeah.
You can go there.
Huh?
You can go there.
This way? Alright. Yeah, we're gonna walk along the river until it is close to sunset time. Then we're gonna take the $5 cruise. Check out this exercise area. Yeah, the bicycle. You don't know that one? Yeah. Huh? Oh, that's the hip thrust. I'm just kidding, I just made that up. There's right there. Try it, baby.
Why am I gonna do that?
Huh? That. Yeah. It's for your arm. It's a bench press.
Rowing?
No, it's like a bench press.
It looks like a kayaking thing.
No, it's for your chest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You gotta push it forward.
We're gonna take that one.
Huh?
I will do this.
Got some bird feeding area. Nice place to hang out.
And everybody.
We got some corn.
Just throw the food at them?
So this went from 5,000 to 1,000. She tried to charge us 5,000. Went down to 1,000.
I was gonna say, there's no scammers here.
Yeah.
Do you think they could come to our tent or something?
Yeah, they will. Put some in the front.
Nobody's come to my hand.
Here go the cruise boat.
Wow. Not as scary as I thought it would be.
Huh? Sunset. Where is the damn sun? It's like blocked by the clouds. Where's the sun?
Yay! We're here. Do you have seasickness?
Yeah, a little bit.
Look at the top. The view of the ocean.
Here? Hey, that ship looks better, to be honest. I think we're off. Tried to get on that boat earlier, but it's a private party. I smelled that barbecue over there. I wanted to try it. Yeah, it's a sunset cruise, but the sun is setting over there behind the clouds. We're going the opposite way. It's all good though. Yeah, this cruise was only $5. Nice. Taking cars across the river, like a ferry boat. Oh yeah, they're bringing it back over too. There's like motorcycles on there. Got a nice view of the riverside. And we stay over there. Yeah, see, I told you that's where all the action is. Like where we're staying is where all the action is. You know what I mean? Right. That's probably like the financial area.
Yeah, there's so much life there over there.
But like, if you look over there, there's like nothing. It's like a jungle over there. So, nice bridge over there. Oh, that looks like an industrial area. Yeah, it's a cool little area. It looks like there's a carnival or some kind of market over there. They're building brand new buildings right there. Looks like a multi-purpose building, apartment and retail stores. Yeah, cloudy skies though. Yeah, it's the beginning of the rainy season.
Oh, it's gonna rain. Look at the clouds.
It's disembarked back where we started.
Thank you for the tour. Love you.
Love you too, baby. I'm pretty sure that was the hotel I stayed at.
The one?
Yeah, I think so. The River House. Yeah, and then around that corner was where all the hookers were.
The hookers.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was it. And then the temple was right there. Yeah. And then I saw the child. Actually, I haven't seen any child prostitutes so far.
There's no more now.
Huh? That's good. Yeah, that shit was disgusting. A little bit, yeah. Are you?
Yeah, because you were going to the... Oh, right here. Lemon? Yeah,
Oh, lemon.
So it's cute. I like the balcony. You can sit coffee. We don't drink coffee. Let's just drink tea. So, morning. With you.
What about the bird food?
Yeah, I'm gonna feed them again tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Save it for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, I used to have this car. I used to have that car.
Car?
Montero?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I used to have that.
What kind of company is
It's a Mitsubishi. Yeah, Mitsubishi. This is the exact one that I had. Crazy.
When did you have one?
Nah, I got, it was my dad's old car. He gave it to me in college.
Oh.
Yeah. But then I gave it back for him to sell.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. So, like, if you want to live in a car, that's a nice enough space.
Yeah, it takes up a lot of gas though. That's why I wanted to get rid of it.
Oh.
We're back at a Pink Elephant. Ordered a, this time it's a banana shake. Yeah. And they make it super strong here, so I hope she doesn't get too messed up. Yeah, I got some spaghetti bolognese. Smells really good. The peppers.
Really good.
Yeah, the peppers smell. Try some.
I changed my mind. I want the.
No, eat some of this.
Okay. Can I try a bit on these?
Yeah.
There's no pork. Look a little bit, baby.
Alright.
I don't want to eat too much of your food. I'll wait for my food. And then there's pork for my food. Okay.
There's some sauce on there.
Thank you.
Man, that smells good. I love green peppers.
Yeah, those green peppers smell good. They must be crunchy. Oh, maybe they're not as good with the drums, but they're also really good.
Like this stuff, I gotta wait like 2 hours to see how strong it is, you know? Like, that's the annoying part.
But
That's always been the annoying part for eating.
last time it hit you like 40 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Mine was like longer because.
But that was just the beginning. You know, you still gotta wait like 2 hours to see how far it goes, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the problem. I was like, oh, this is alright. Okay. 1 hour later, I'm dead.
And then when you wake up, you're so high.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, actually, that's funny. Because I also didn't know what time it was when I woke up. I'm like, what the fuck? What time is it? Like, what day is it? I don't even know what day it is.
I will never do that again. Your room just makes it so difficult to find out what time it was. I was doubting myself. I had to Google the answer. Thank you, Google.
Yeah, mine doesn't have AM or PM either. So I was like, man, what time is it in America? 'Cause it's always the opposite.
Yeah, it's just that. I should make it like military style.
Didn't know I was recording earlier, but I got some sauce on the camera. But yeah, this is pretty good. Spaghetti bolognese. There's like some kind of spice in there. There's like some kind of spice in here.
Good.
Thank you, Akon.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. Has like a Cambodian flavor or something. It's good though.
How do you say this?
Bolognese. It means meat sauce.